Welcome guys, Betty here with Carblessly Delicious, low carb and keto friendly recipes featuring this delicious flaky salmon that literally melts in your mouth, y'all. Seared to perfection and topped with a delicious brown butter lemon glaze. And I'm excited to show you just how quick and easy it is to make it. And please like, comment, and share. I love to hear from you and I would greatly appreciate it. Okay guys, I started with a slab weighing 1 1/4 pounds, which totals 18 ounces that I cut into 3 equal parts, giving us a serving size of 6 ounces for each piece. They've been rinsed and pat dried with a paper towel and ready to season. First, we'll use a little olive oil to sprinkle and massage over both sides. This will help the seasoning to adhere to our salmon. I like to blend all my seasonings together into a small bowl to create one delicious flavor that will distribute evenly onto every piece. It seems when you apply your seasoning separately, one piece may get more of a spice than another piece. This way, we don't have to worry about that. It ensures that each piece will taste identical. And as always, guys, all the ingredients are listed in the description for you, along with the macros. And we certainly don't want to neglect along the sides. Make sure you turn your salmon to the side and work the seasoning in as well. Now that our pan is heated, we can go ahead and melt our butter. I'm using the salted Kerrygold pure Irish butter. We're going to create a delicious brown butter, and the temperature is key here. We don't want to burn our butter, so keep your heat at a medium. We're going to heat our butter until we get that nice nutty aroma, and we'll be left with the milk solids, which you'll be able to see floating around in the liquid. Looks sort of like sand at the bottom of your pan. And this, my friends, is what we want. Now we can begin searing our salmon, placing each piece into the brown butter with the skin side facing up. Salmon is very flimsy, y'all, and likely to fall apart on you. That's one of the reasons why I prefer to leave my skin on. It helps hold the fish together. Nevertheless, you can absolutely remove yours if you like. Once your salmon is in the pan, it really doesn't require any attention. In fact, the less you handle it, the better off it'll be. Chances that it won't fall apart on you. Leave it alone. Let it be. Besides, we can go ahead and move over to our cutting board, and we can chop up our parsley while we're letting that sear for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now let's flip over our salmon over to the skin side. Be very careful. Oh, look at there, guys. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that gorgeous golden tint. Seared to a perfection. Oh, yes. We're not playing around in Betty's kitchen. Oh, no. We're going to add a little more butter to the pan to create our delicious lemon sauce while the skin side is cooking, which will only take about 5 to 7 minutes. Sprinkle in some parsley. In goes the lemon juice, which was squeezed from 1 full lemon. We can also use bottled lemon juice as long as it's 100% with no additives. Gently remove your salmon from the pan. We're going to zest a full lemon, only the yellow of the lemon, and add it to the remainder of the brown butter. Just a little more butter. Give it a stir and baste it over your salmon, and go ahead and pat yourself on the back. That's it. Quick and simple. Your family or your dinner guests are gonna rave over how delicious this tastes. Another job well done here at Carblessly Delicious, where you can find inspiration for more low-carb and keto-friendly recipes like this. New videos are uploaded every week. Guys, eating healthy and living your best life begins where? Right in your very own kitchens.